It is stressing. Masarap, pero mahirap. Sino kayang unang iiyak nito?
Basta ako, gusto ko na sa kanila, maging respectful sila.
Hindi ko much na feel yung presence nila there as being a parent. Gusto ko talaga sila yakapin all the time. Hello guys, kami ulit kasama ko ang aking asawa.
Hello guys.
Medyo comfy muna kami sa kwarto namin kasi umuulan sa labas. And may sakit si baby. And we have our very significant baby boy na medyo settled siya at the moment.
At the moment.
hindi daw siya, he's not gonna, so
he'll be quiet
daw while we record the video.
See.
We'll see how during the video. So, today's content is meron kaming 25 parenting questions for both of us na we are going to answer. So you guys can know how we are as parents and how we raise our kids. Baka makatulong din sa inyo if you guys are struggling as parents and you guys don't know what you guys are doing. So, sino kayang unang iiyak nito? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? So welcome to Erks TV. So 25 to So first question.
Grabe naman sa 25 questions na
Okay na yan. Okay, how many kids do you want to have or have currently? Well, sa akin,
I think 4 is okay na.
yeah?
Yeah.
Ako sa akin 4 na rin.
Before I said 6.
Oh my God.
Pero
Yeah.
I think 4 or done.
Yeah. I think, yeah, 4 okay na kami. And
Especially when my baby girl na.
yeah, so how much kids do we want? We just want 4. Okay na yung 4. And yeah, so we currently have 4. Ayan na.
Oops.
Okay. Second question.
XDV.
Yeah, that's what he was trying to say.
Okay.
Good job, Popper.
Good job.
Stay on the phone na.
Okay. Come on na.
Be quiet, because ano. You wanna sit down next to mommy?
Yeah.
It's okay. You can sit down there and you can play on the phone, okay?
Second question. What are the advantages of having this many kids? So 4 kids. Advantages. What do you think about the advantages?
Advantages, laging masaya. Maingay, pero masaya.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon we have a lot. Every day is always a blessing that we're always having a lot of noise.
Blessing yung noise.
Blessing noise. Noisy blessing. Yeah, it's the advantages is always we're always
Maingay.
yeah.
Maingay na masaya.
There's always things happening
Yeah.
daily.
Daily.
There's always something to look upon. And yeah, so kahit yung nagwo-work ka, there's always something that you want to come home to, and it's just nakakatanggal ng stress having this much kids. And second question, what are the disadvantages of having this many kids?
Disadvantage. Oh my God.
I think a disadvantage naman is it is stressing. So,
Stress.
mahirap talaga siya kasi hindi nagkakalayo yung mga gap nila. So, madami din nangyayari ng mga pagkaaway.
Very challenging for us.
Yeah, so every day is a blessing and every day is also a challenge. So, that's the disadvantage of having this many kids. Kasi you have to work them one by one.
One by one.
So, especially pag lalabas ka, oh my gosh. Yes, yeah.
Pero masaya siya.
Yeah, pero masaya.
Stressing.
Masarap, pero mahirap. So, fourth question. How will you support your kids financially? I think we've always been doing that. His sa akin naman is, I think I'm very traditional. Gusto ko talaga kasing ang lalaki is the main support income. Like ang lalaki talaga nagtatrabaho, ang nanay is at home taking care of the kids because the dad is always the working hard, and the mom is always the love and support for us. So, yun ang ginagawa namin at the moment is, ako nagtatrabaho, so I'm the only source of income, and mommy is at home with the kids.
Full time.
Full time. But yeah, that's how we financially support our kids. And obviously, nag-iipon din kami for them. So, nagtatabi naman kami ng unti-unti dyan.
For their future.
For their future, sa pag-aaral nila. And just for them as well. Kailangan naman talaga eh. Ano ba yung 5th question na? Oh, di ba? 20 more to go.
Dami.
Where do you want your kids to grow up? City, outback, a small town, and why?
For me, sa akin, gusto ko mag-explore sila. Pero like, settle ba yan? Pag nag-settle sila?
Where do you want your kids to grow? Like,
Kasi for me, pagka kunwari, nagtapos na sila ng school, like high school or thing, I want them to explore first kung ano yung gusto nilang gawin. Di ba yun yung gusto natin?
Yeah. Like, we want them to actually grow up in a world where they have full capacity to do anything.
Correct.
I mean, kahit city man yan, outback or a small town, we want them to explore everything. So all aspects in life, we want them to see it. Ayaw namin sila mag-grow up lang in
Stuck
in one place. You know what I mean? Like us, like we went to this place. And then we just grow up in this place. Dito tayo tatatanda, dito tayo magpapamilya. We don't want we don't want to put that thing on them.
So, makita nila muna yung world.
Yeah, kaya sasabi namin magse-save kami. Gusto namin, yung savings namin na yun, bibigay sa kanila. Ito, mag-travel ka. There's a lot of things happening around the world. It's not just here.
Yeah.
So, yun
para
gusto
ma-find
namin.
out nila kung anong gusto nilang gawin sa buhay.
Yeah. So, basically, yeah. None of the above.
Wala.
None of the above. We want them to just do anything what they want. Explore the world. Okay, so 6th question. What kind of kids would you like them to be?
I mean, you can't really. We have, specifically na gusto natin sila lumaki, pero we can't think that for them. Basta kung gusto ko na lang sa kanila, maging respectful sila and, meron silang good manners.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Sa akin, ang dagdag ko lang dyan is respectful and good manners. That's number 1. Ang dagdag ko lang sa kanila dyan is goal-orientated. So, I will always want them to always have a goal in life. Hindi yung na-stuck lang sila with what they have. I always want them to reach out for something. And kasi parang wala rin, pag walang goal yung mga bata, wala rin.
Yun yung lagi na sinasabi sa mga anak ng lalaki. Diba, di ba ito sasabihan, baby patoy?
Always have a goal. Sa akin, always have a goal. Be respectful, content. Ano pa? Respectful, content. Good manners. And goal-orientated. Ano ba yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th question. 7th question pala tayo. Hindi ko nakalimutan. 7th question. What kind of relationship would you like them to have with their grandparents?
With their grandparents?
Yeah.
Well, they're pretty close right now.
Yeah. I think
we already teach them kasi like yung mga lalaki kasi nila anak. Ay, mga anak natin. Sila anak tuloy. Mga anak natin. They're very, parang sa amin kasi, like both of them, lumaki sila sa both sides namin. Kasi before, when we got married, we were living with your dad.
My dad.
And then when kay Jackson na 2018, we live with my mom and my dad. So naging close both sides. No?
Yeah.
Which is a good thing
pero
siguro.
nakatawa kasi like
si Jasper
lang hindi lumaki kasama yung mga
Kaya
lola.
I can feel then sometimes na wala siyang closeness sa lolo tsaka lola niya. Even
true.
on my side. Wala talaga kasi we took care of him.
Yeah. No, kasi COVID.
COVID din, COVID din. So walang pwedeng
Pero like the relationship I would like them to have with their grandparents is gusto ko open sila sa kanila.
Yeah.
As in like, I'll understand hindi sila maging open sa amin. I mean, it happens. Pero sa lola at lola nila, their grandparents, I want them to be as open as they can. Like, whatever they can't tell us, they can tell them. Yun ang ano. And that kind of relationship is, I think that's a good bond to have as grandparents. Okay, number 8. What hobbies would you expose them to?
More sports.
Yeah, well, sa akin, yes. Sports. Number 1. Sports. Pero ang hirap eh.
Pero gusto ko rin actually si Jaylan. Gusto ko siya mag-ano. Kasi I can feel it na gusto niya mag-learn ng piano or guitar.
Music.
Music. So, I think I'm gonna push that.
Yeah. Sa akin, kasi from a creativity family, I mean, artistic family. Basta like any hobbies that involves creativity. Literally, ang gusto ko talaga is basketball. Pero mahirap eh. I thought it would be easy to influence basketball as I used to play basketball, pero hirap. Habang lumalaki sila, depende kasi talaga sa mga kaibigan and how they're exposed to it.
Tsaka, ayaw ka na ng basketball.
I don't want, yeah. It's not that they don't want to. I tried.
You tried.
Pero hindi, like talagang ang hirap i-force. I don't want to force things to them. I want them to like it themselves. And then if they like it, they can ask me. Oh, like, Dad, I want to play this, I want to play that. Pero hindi naman sila nagtatanong. But yeah, like nakikita ko naman they're growing up with creativity. So yeah, I like them to be exposed with a lot of creativity and artistic views. And which is what we see anyways. They like to draw, they like to things. Yeah.
I like to build.
Yeah, that's it. They like Legos. Nakakawalang yung Lego.
Naiinis na kasi Papa kasi napakan niya yung Legos sa sala.
So, sa mga magulong dyan na may mga bata naglalaro ng Lego, I know you guys know what we're talking about. What is your reward/punishment philosophy? I think this is like...
I think that's more on you kasi ako...
I think this is like...
spoiled them. Pero wala akong punish eh. Kasi I'm not saying they're not scared of me. They still have respect. Pero mas kasi sila sa'yo eh. Mas nakikinig sila sa kanya.
Kasi ako discipline discipline talaga kasi ako eh. As much as I don't like it,
I'm more on verbal kasi Pag discipline sasabihan ko sila.
Yeah. Pero mas natatakot sila sa mami nila pag nagsalita na talaga.
Pag nagalit.
Pero ako talagang everyday disiplina. So, pero yeah, like our reward and punishment philosophy. Sa amin, if you do something nice, if you're kind, you do something good for someone and for their brothers, let's say, we give them. Binibigyan namin sila ng reward talaga. There's no doubt. Kahit ano man gusto nila, bibigyan talaga namin. Yeah, linis. Just be nice to each other.
Ang gabi naman sa be nice to each other. Parang imposible yun, babe.
Pero nga, we reward them for being nice.
50-50 yung be nice to each other.
Yeah.
We've never reward them for being nice to each other.
They be nice to each other because they want that reward.
Yeah. Pero good for 2 minutes lang siguro.
Yeah.
After
Pag nakuha na nila, that's it. Pero yeah.
Not reality.
Punishment philosophy naman is obviously, given pag nag-away sila, they do something bad to each other. Talaga like naughty corner, that kind of punishment.
The Filipino tradition.
The Filipino tradition. Hindi naman yung sintro na. Hindi naman. May sumisintro na ako pero hindi ko naman sila pinapalo. Like, pinapalo ko lang yung floor. That's how I get angry at them. Is talaga like meron times na nagiging verbal shouting talaga ako which hindi mo din makokontrol. Pero to the point na yun talaga pag nagsasakitan na talaga sila. Ako lang talaga makaka-jump in dyan. Wala namang makakagawa dyan. So, medyo sumisigaw ako. Typical Filipino dad discipline. Pero hindi ko naman sila pinapalo talaga ng gusto with like a sintron or ano. Pinapakita ko lang sa kanila. Di ko nasa na ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, see 10, 15 to go. 10th question. What do you want to give them that you never had? Oh, wow.
I never had? Ako, oh my God.
Ayan na.
I've never had, like, love siguro.
Love?
Love, yes.
What do you
I
mean?
mean, like, nabigyan naman siguro sa akin parents ko yung love, pero more on attention. Attention. I want to give them more attention. Kasi ang hirap, 4 sila, tapos may baby. I can't, like, from each one of them, I can't give them the attention that they want sometimes. Kasi, ang hirap. As long as I want to, pero parang hindi ko nabibigay minsan kasi inalagaan ko to, inalagaan ko yan. Isa din. Si Kuya, parang feeling ko na si Kuya na lang minsan lumalapit sa akin para mapansin ko lang siya.
Yeah,
Ikaw?
Ako,
Time.
akin yung being there as a parent. Hindi ko sinasabi na pinabayaan ako ng mga magulang ko. Is understand ko naman magulang ko is they worked so much. So obviously to support us to live I am thankful for. Pero hindi ko much na feel yung presence nila there as being a parent talaga. Which, that's what I'm trying to give them now is. That's why kaya naghanap ako ng work from home para I'm always present throughout their whole life. Talagang ginawa ko lahat para makakuha ng trabaho ng work from home. For me, it's time. So for you is love.
Attention.
Love and attention. Ako is time. Oras na pagiging magulang ko sa kanila. And just doing everything, being there at their achievements and all that. Kasi like, parang ako, like yung bata ko, I had to really ask my parents to be there in all my achievements. And there was times na hindi ko talaga nakuha. Pero I understood naman eh. Pero yun nga, I want to be there in their achievements. Malapit na.
11.
Okay, 11. What is your alcohol smoking philosophy para sa mga bata? Oh my gosh. Obviously, like in Truth Mall, parehas kami, we smoke.
We do, yeah.
We smoke. Hindi namin matatanggal na in the future, they might end up doing it because nakita na nila eh. Alam nila. Ikaw, what do you think when they grow up?
They're gonna do it for sure. Pero I'm not that kind of mom na stop ko sila. I want them to realize what they're doing. You know, hindi ko naman sila pipigilan eh. I'm okay with it, I think. Pero with alcohol,
They'll do it as well.
they'll do it. Pero siguro, bahala sila.
Yeah. Ako as a disciplined dad.
We're not a perfect parent.
Yeah. No, ako as a disciplined dad, as much as na
Ayaw mo, I know,
Ayaw
I
ko.
can feel it.
ayaw ko, I don't want them to smoke, I don't want them to do alcohol. I just basically don't want it to be me.
Grabe ka naman sa ano.
Hindi, pero ako understand ko na it's gonna happen. I'm gonna see it and like it's gonna happen. Pero
It's gonna happen. Kung mangyayari man doon, shot na lang.
yeah. Pero kung gano'n mangyayari, di libre nila. Basta libre nila.
Gusto niya mag-inuman, tara, shot.
Okay, question number 12. What is your preferred bedtime on weekdays and weekends?
Weekdays, I prefer around 9 or 10. 9 to 10. Yun talaga usapan natin na rin,
Yeah.
diba? Weekends naman, pagdating ng Friday,
Wala natin, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we just want them to sleep early. Not too early.
not too early.
I mean, boys are very practically like energy hoard. So, there's no forcing them to sleep early. So, I think mga 10 o'clock. Sa akin, 10 o'clock is a good time to sleep.
And they know that. Alam, natutulog naman sila by 10 o'clock, they're already sleeping.
Yeah.
Because they know they have school.
Yeah, and then weekends, holidays, we
Yung
don't
bunsong
there's
lalaki
no-
lang ating the best matulog eh. By 7 to 8 p.m. tulog na siya. Pero maga siya nagigising mga 5 to 6. Gising na rin.
Yeah, so gigisingin ka rin niya.
Nagigising. May schedule siya sa sarili niya eh.
Question 13. What is your gift philosophy?
Give philosophy.
So parang like, do you give gifts to your kids all the time?
I spoiled them, yes. Pero ayaw niya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ako, I don't like it. It's not that I don't like it. It's the fact that I want them
No, kasi
to deserve it. Yeah, gusto ko na di-deserve nila yung regalo. So parang na-appreciate nila more. Kasi the more you give to them and you're just giving it to them without any reason, nasasanay sila. So mas gusto ko yung reward siya, nag-gift siya dahil you did something good para naalagaan. Kasi ako, dati bata kasi ako, alagang-alaga ako mga laruan ko. There's no doubt. And yun ang yun ang hindi ko gusto nakikita is hindi naalagaan ang
they don't know how to
mga,
value.
yeah, hindi na value, hindi na alagaan yung mga items nila, mga ari-ari nila.
Yung panganay marunong.
Mm.
When it comes to Legos, like he knows. Ang dami niyang
Yeah.
collection dyan.
Yeah, but I think they're still at that age kasi like I'm just being very strict.
Very.
Sorry po guys, strict si daddy. Here we go. I think baliktad naman to. How many hours a week will you allow them to play, work, chat on the computer?
Ang the computer?
I think
Si
wala.
Jaden lang naman yung
I think,
sa computer eh.
Pero I think control na namin to eh. Pero hindi na namin pinapansin. Si Kuya, computer, lahat, dalawa si Jasper at si Jackstone, iPad. Wala na, hindi na namin, ayaw na namin kontrolin. Alam ko there's a benefit to controlling it and giving them screen time, pero yung sasabi natin, tawag doon, yun ang disadvantage, wala ka na magagawa. Kasi pag nag-away na yan, lahat.
Buti pa sana kung isa lang, may screen time siguro. Pero
Ikaw,
pag apat, Diyos ko, mo na lang.
stressin mo lang yung sarili mo. Huwag mo na pakialaman sila. That's it.
Kung isa lang anak mo, okay lang. Maano mo pa yung screen time niya. Pero pag apat,
wala na. That's it, yun na.
Sila,
Tanggapin mo na. Hindi naman kami pabaya. It's just that, mas maganda na as a parent na stress-free ka na lang. Na mas maganda na, okay, guys, just don't fight. Pero like, wala, i-stressan mo pa na no more iPad, then mag-i-stress ka pa kung ano pang gagawin nila. Then,
magtatantrum pa ka.
mag-aaway. Mamaya, pag wala sila iPad, magsusuntukan na yung dalawa. Ito, bahala kayo. Do whatever you want. That's it.
Anong number? Wala ka naman.
Pebs, question 15. Will they have their own computer in their own room? Sa akin, yeah.
Yes.
Ako, we're a gamer couple. So we like playing games. So we've inherited. I mean, we've given that thing, the inheritance to our kids. So our kids love gaming, especially our eldest one. Binigay na namin yung computer ni Mami sa kanya. There's no doubt they'll have computers in the room.
And paglaki nila, yun yung gagawin natin. Yeah. We're just streaming.
Yeah. New gen. It's computer-based generation. So can't do anything with that. 16. Question 16.
16.
Yan. How well do you expect them to do at school? What do
I know they're both smart, pero I want to see them. I don't know, hindi naman kasi ako masyadong strict dyan eh.
Do you expect them to do well?
Well, of course. Who doesn't? Pero as I know that they're giving their best. But I'm not gonna push them. I'm not that kind of parent na I'm gonna push them. Do good, ganyan. Pagsasabihan ko sa kanila yung gagawin nila. I'm not that. Basta ako, I know they're trying their best. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, ako din. Basta they try. Kung unless humahangad sila maging nurse, maging doctor, maging engineer, maging like those kind of jobs, obviously I expect them to do great at school. Pero as personally, I'm not saying that I'm not a well-believed of the school system, pero yeah, the school system brings you to become a worker. And I want my kids to have and see more than being a worker. I don't really expect them to do well. I want them to try their best on everything they do. Lalim. 17. How much would you like your kids to take part in household chores? Yan. Wala, Pilipino kami. Kailangan talaga. There's no choice.
Kailangan nila maghugas ng pinggan.
It's a good lesson. It's a good life lesson. They have
start for them.
Yeah, they have to know. Ako, I had to know, and which was good. At least ngayon nalaga akong akin asawa.
Aking mga? Ang dami mo.
No, like I learned in a young age, like what I'm teaching my kids now is I want them to take part of house chores. It's for their own life lesson. They have to know that. If they're gonna live in this world by themselves without us in the future, so I don't want them growing up not knowing how to wash the dishes or wash the laundry. You know what I mean?
Bawal maging batugan.
Yeah, bawal. I don't want them to be like that. Yung pinag-uusapan sila dahil tamad sila or hindi sila marunong in daily life activities. We want them to take part in household chores. Oh. Medyo controversial to. Question 18. When will you start talking to them about SEX?
I think darating din mo yung tayo nagtatanong sila eh. Si Jaylan, yung panganay namin, he's that age na
I think he knows.
Yeah, he knows. He knows about it.
Hindi na kaming privates.
I'm not gonna talk to them kasi boys sila eh. Bahala na siya doon.
Wala na kaming privacy.
Bahala na siya doon. Kasi I don't know, ako nga, hindi ko nga kaya makita silang ano eh.
Yeah. I think high school. I think high school, when they hit high school, I think it's a good time to actually like open it up. Even though they're younger, you're under 18, they're gonna be
High
exposed.
school, like kaka-high school, like going
Yeah,
high
when they go
school.
into high school, like before they start high school, I'll probably have a speak with them, with each of, kasi isa-isa naman silang papasok, hindi sila sabay. So I'll probably have that talk with them na, you know what I mean, what's gonna happen, and always stay safe.
Stay safe.
Jalen, Jackson, Jasper, Sage, if you're seeing this when you're entering high school, stay safe or lagot ka kay daddy. So sa akin, high school. Pag-start ng high school.
Yeah, high school is good.
Yeah. Okay, question 19. Lapit na. Bingo! When will you stop hugging and kissing them?
Never.
Nakaat naman to.
Ako never. Kahit tumanda man sila, dapat may kiss kay mami tsaka kay daddy. And hug.
Oh,
Never
para na emotional ako na binasa ko to. Like, tawag dun, gusto ko like, kahit na gano'n ka tigas ako minsan sa kanila as boys sila.
Daw na, oh my God. Sino ba questions yan?
Kasi naiyak ako. Hindi kasi talagang gusto ko talaga sila yakapin all the time. Naiyak ako.
Kaya mo yan. Wala tuloy ako naiyak. Gusto mo sila yakapin all the time.
Pero gusto ko gawin din yung duty ko as a dad. Yeah. Oh my God. Shit, nakano yun ah. Tinamaan ako dun ah.
Ako never. I will
Hindi ako
never
din,
stop
never din.
them. Kasi parang every time nakikita ko sila or nahag ko sila or kinikiss nila ako, yun yung moment na nakikita ko na nung nilabas ko sila, yun. Kaya ako would never ask them to stop hugging me.
Well, ako nag-outing. Pero like yung...
Sad.
Yeah. Ano yun ah. Ang simpleng question niya na pero matinding ano. Hindi, pero ako...
Bumabalik yung nung pinanganak pa sila.
Yeah. Yeah, so for mommy, she will never stop hugging and kissing them. I think it's normal for as a mom as well. Ako naman, naiyak ako is because ako din gusto ko rin, pero minsan tumatapak din yung duty ko as a dad, as a disciplined dad, and nakakalimutan ko minsan.
Keep going.
Nakakalimutan ko minsan to show affection, like hugging and kissing them and telling them I love them. So
Gusto kasi daddy tapang sila eh.
yeah. Yeah.
Pero
boys,
ako lang kasi nakakita ng soft side ni daddy.
so ito na, yeah. So boys, I'm sorry. Daddy's just has to be dad. But I love you so much. Ano naman yun? Nakalimutan ko
19 na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. Question 20. Woo! When will you buy them a car? Ay! Yeah, I'm a car fanatic. So, by the time they actually hit that age that they can drive, they're allowed to drive, or when they can get the license, I'm going to get them the license. Like,
When will you buy them a car nga? Sa amin, we're not gonna buy them a car.
I won't buy them
I
a
want
car.
them to earn it.
Yeah, I won't buy them a car straight away. Pero
As we said naman, we have a little bit of savings for their future. Pero, yun nga, yung mga ganun, kasi parang ano na yan, natawag ng luho if we buy them. So, sa amin kasi, sa kotse, if they wanted a car, I want them to earn it first.
yeah,
I'm
because
just
car,
gonna buy them a car.
yeah, like it is a liability, and then that's why I want to teach them like liabilities of a car. Pero at the end of the day, like I want them to buy it. I'm gonna buy them a car. It's because like ako mahilig kasi ako sa kotse, so I want to have that bonding with them when they have a car, and gusto ko rin sila turuan. So if they get into cars, I'll be happy. Basta wag lang masyadong duho sa kotse. Pinagdaan ako na yan. Boys, pinagdaan ako na yan. Walang nangyayari. Gastos. But it's good. Question 21. What do you think about teens going to work? I think like working sila ng maaga.
What do I think? I mean, it's normal. I went to work.
Yeah, I think
As a
there's nothing. I have no problem with that. I went to work when I was 14 as well.
Yeah.
So it's good. It's a good life lesson to learn.
Kung sa'yo naman yung pera, as long as, like, kasi may mga bata kasi na parang I think, pinag-work sila and kinukuha yung pera.
Yeah.
Yun ata yung ano. Pero sa amin, as long as like, hindi naman namin sa kanila yun eh.
Yeah. No, sa akin
It's
yeah.
their choice. It's their choice. If they wanna go, if they wanna work early, like their teen era,
during high school.
they can.
Yeah. Good life lesson learned.
Yeah.
Na they know the value of money. Maganda matutuhan ang pera habang bata pa. Like at this age pa lang sila. Jalen's 9, Jackson 6.
7?
Jackson 7. Sorry. Oh my God. See, ganyan na disadvantage pag madami kang anak. Nakakalimutan mo na yung age nila.
Iyak ka pa.
Iyak ka pa.
Nakalimutan mo.
No, pero nga, tawag dun, that's the advantage na, I mean, yung ginagawa namin, tinuturuan namin yung mga anak namin ng pera. Like, what the value of money is. How to get it.
They know now. You can't just get the money. You know, it's not
money
out of
doesn't
trees.
grow out of our ass.
They know now. They know now.
So, yeah, what we think about teens going to work, we think it's a good way. It's a good life lesson for them. Okay, question 22. What will you do if your kid gets into trouble?
That really depends, like what kind of trouble.
Yeah, I think depends kahit kung anong trouble yan. So if
But of course, we'll always be there for them.
yeah,
no
if
matter
if it's their fault, you know, say for example, if sila nagbubully, then
That's a no for
hindi
us.
ko hindi ko encourage yun. Like didisiplina ako talaga sila. Kakusapin ko sila na that's not good. Pero pag sila yung na-in trouble, obviously, ako medyo mainitin ng ulo ko. Baka mag-away kami ng magulang ng sino na.
Pag sila nabully, hindi. Sa totoo lang, pag sinasabi namin yan sa school nila, pag may nangbubully sa kanila, don't be scared to tell nga sa teacher nila.
Yeah.
Yun naman
Wag
lagi
ano.
namin sinasabi eh. We're not
Yeah.
the thing
Don't be-
bawian mo, ganyan. We're not like
Yeah.
that. We're trying to
always,
teach them in a good way nga
yeah,
na
magsabi. It's always, like yung sasabi namin, like, be open. Kung hindi sila open sa amin, they're scared to say that to us. Yung sasabi namin, as sa grandparents, masabi din nila sa mga
Sobrang
grandparents
bait nga nila yun. Na ano sila dati, di ba, na bully?
Yeah, minsan
They didn't tell us about it.
Yung
Nalaman
nalaman
ko pa
sa school,
teacher.
sa school
Tumawag
namin.
sa akin yung kasi, ano sabi ng panganay mo na natatakot siya na sabihin sa atin?
Yeah, kasi baka magalit kami.
Oo, sugurin daw namin.
Kung tutusin ako na kung siguro.
Susugurin daw natin yung bata. Kaya natakot yung panganay na magsabi sa amin. Nalaman ko pa sa teacher, tinawagan ako ng teacher.
Yeah.
Doon ako nagalit sa kanilang dalawa kasi dalawa sila tapos wala man lang nagsabi sa amin nga na nabubuli na pala sa kanila.
Yeah, dun namin sila kanausap about being open sa mga ganyan nangyayari. Because the bullies will always be a bully if you're not speaking out. And yeah, that's what we don't want them to think. Pero yun, sa akin naman, pag sila naman nagta-trouble din.
Hindi kasi nainis pa ako kasi everyday kasi after school nila, tinatanong ko sila how school, did something happen, ganyan-ganyan. As in, I asked them literally every day after school. Pero that day, I asked them, they lied. Kaya doon ako nagalit. Doon ako na talagang nainis.
Okay. If you could give your kids only one thing, what would that be? Only one thing. Wow.
Only one
I think I think it's just a challenge. If you only can give them one thing. I think one thing I would give my kids is kayamanan.
Kaya man.
Nah, joke. I think the only thing that I would want to give my kids is financial education. I want them to be really financially and money educated para sa future nila. Kasi kung hindi ka educated sa pera, I think you're not really gonna get anywhere. Hindi mo malalaman kung paano tumakbo ang pera, what the value of money is. I think the rich people knows how money works. That's why they're rich. That's why I want to give my kids is financial education.
I think the same thing din.
Yeah, financial education.
Yun naman lagi natin sinasabi sa kanila.
Basta maging marunong
They
sa pera.
have to be smart now. Kasi di ba, hindi sa nangyayari sa mundo ngayon parang
Yeah. You have to be mautak.
mautak ka na dapat na yun eh.
Working hard really. I mean, working hard brings you somewhere, but being financially smart will get you somewhere. So, boys, alam nyo na. Question 24, 28, 25 question, 28,
Ay,
24. Question 24.
24?
Yeah.
Ang bilis.
When you die, how do you want your kids to remember you?
I don't want to die. I want them to, remember me
Remember me. Anong kata yun?
as a mom na full of love, laughter, and happiness. Yun yung gusto kong ma-remember nila sa nanay nila. Siyempre, maganda.
Ayun. Naging honest din tayo.
Ganda kayo nanay ko, siyempre.
Ay, na
Kung
nanay.
hindi nila sinabi yun, ay nalalabas ako sa ko, babatukan ko.
Ako naman, when I die, how do I want my kids to remember me? Gwapo. Kala nyo Kala nyo mami lang No, ako gusto ko they remember me na their dad tried. Yun lang. Like, tatanda sila na they're gonna be like, oh, my dad tried. Gwapo man siya, pero he tried. He tried, pero gwapo siya.
He tried to be taller. Gano'n.
Tinay naman niya, pero wala eh. Basta, the thing is, he tried. Yeah.
Ninitan na.
Ako din, I just wanted to remember me na masayahin akong tao.
Hindi ka sure. Sabihin, tatay ko, stricto yan eh.
Tatay ko, balasubas yun. Okay, last question.
Last.
What do you think about being a parent?
Hard. Being a parent's hard in a good way. Kasi, masarap siya in a way na tawag ito. Kasi you can feel their, their love towards you. Like, you know na one day they're gonna take care of you. Kaya, me as a parent, I love being a mom. Halata naman, apat na anak ko.
Hindi mo alam kung she loves being a mom or she loves being with me.
Minsan din, nanggigil ako sa sagot mo eh. Ikaw?
What I like about being a parent? I have offsprings. May magdadala ng apelyido ko. May magdadala ng mga briganya.
Papalaki.
I have 3.
Seryoso nga, what do you love being
I love coming home and having a purpose. I think that's about it. You know what I mean? I think every parents out there wouldn't be standing here kung wala kayong mga anak. And I think most parents are actually doing this and actually are alive because of having kids. And yeah.
Being a parent din kasi they teaches you know. Like ako, nung pinanganak ko si Jaylan, I was really mature. Pero like sa kanya ko natutunan yung magmahal nga and then maging mature.
Yeah.
Yun yung nagustuhan ko as a parent. Kasi, like, silang mga bata, you don't know, sila pala yung tuturo sa atin kung paano maging magulang.
Yeah.
Kaya, that's the best talaga for me.
Yeah. That's what we think about being
We
parents.
give them less, we guide them and then they teach us. Being
You think you're teaching them pero sila pa
sila
nagtuturo
tuturo.
sa'yo. But see, to be honest, like, you're just learning off each other. Being a parent is something that's never studied or there's no textbook to being a parent. Each parent is different in a way. So the way we parent, the way you parent, the way anyone parents is totally different. So one way or the other. Pero like what we think about it is just we're all learning. I think to the end of our time we'll still be learning, and that's the best gift as a parent is, like you're just gonna be teaching them for your whole life, and that's what you're just gonna give them. I think being a parent is probably one of the best things you can ever have in this world.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Clap your hands. And that's it. Ayun na, ripan na natin yung mga bata. Pwede na. Joke lang. So yun nga, basically kayo na humusga sa amin as magulang. Kung hindi nyo trip ang pagka-parent namin, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Basta kahit i-dislike nyo na lang, okay lang. Pero sa mga magulang dyan, yung mga nanood ngayon, feel free to just like and comment nyo lang kung paano kayo as well as a parent. Kung nakarelate kayo sa nangyari, kung naiyak din kayo sa question na yun, like, even yourself, kahit ask your question, that question. Ano bang question yun?
Pause ka naman question.
Hindi yung question na yun eh.
When will you stop
ayun, when will you stop hugging your kids? Will you ever stop hugging your kids? Ask yourself that as well if you're a parent, and comment nyo kung ano mga reaction nyo. And yeah, let us know. So comment what your reaction is sa mga hindi marunong mag-Tagalog dyan. So comment what your reaction is for that question. When will you stop hugging your kids? So overall, thank you for watching, and may message ka ba sa akin?
Bakit? Happy birthday to
Ayun na nakalagay sa ano ko. Oh, may message ka ba sa akin?
Sa'yo yun eh. Ikaw at magsasabi doon.
Ganun ba?
Ka pa sa kanya.
Hindi ko nakalagay. May message ka ba sa akin, be?
Happy birthday to me.
Yun lang. So, yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And welcome to Erks TV. And yeah, thank you for watching Erks TV. Checking out. Bye-bye.
Bye.